Let's get twisted. Let's get twisted. Dirty, dirty, noise, noise, bass, bass, electro, electro. Dirty, dirty, noise, noise, bass, bass, electro, electro.
What's going on, bros and girls? So today I have an unboxing and overview of the Elephant stlye Apple style keyboard. It's a very sleek, clean looking keyboard that also includes a silicone protective cover, and it's also pretty inexpensive at only around $20 at the time of this video. I got this keyboard as part of my current computer build called Project PureWhite, which is a white themed budget gaming / home theater PC project. If you want to learn more about Project PureWhite, just click on the annotation or the link in the description. So for a quick tour around the package, on the front you just have a picture of the keyboard. On this side over here you have the website and the brand that makes it, which is Elephant. And over here you have some features. It's Windows compatible, 110 buttons, and underneath is a tagline. It's a comfortable keyboard that looks great on your desk. So that's pretty cool. And over here, it's upside down, but it's in English, it's white, and it's the USB model. And on the back, that's what the black version looks like. And on the very ends, you just have the side profile of the keyboard. And the black one. And onto the unboxing, me and the associate at the store already broke the tape seal on the bottom because there were some random keyboards with some weird branding on the spacebar, and I didn't want that, so I just had to make sure. And so there you have it. Here's the keyboard itself. It's just in some protective plastic, which I will remove right now. It's pretty light, so it should be easy to move around and take with you if you want to transport it. And one thing I really did like about this keyboard is if you tend to splurge liquids such as drinks and other sticky stuff, you can you can cover this up with this cover, which is completely removable if you like. And it also prevents dust from getting into your keys. And on the back you just have the brand again and not much else. And as for the cable, it is color matched white, so that looks really good. And here's the USB connection. And lastly, this sheet of paper is, what is this? It's just a basic user guide and some key functionality and some system requirements and troubleshooting tips. And this is just what it sounds like with the cover off. Since I am a fan of the laptop style chiclet keys, upon initial feel, this does feel really good. It actually feels very similar to the Apple keyboard of the same style. So there you go. And another advantage of the silicone cover is that it does dampen the sound a bit. So if you want a more quiet running system, here's what it sounds like. And a few last things I want to mention before we go is that using this function key, you have some function shortcuts, such as in email, you can do send and forward your email. If you're in a word processor, you can do the new open and save shortcuts with the F keys, as well as you can also do undo and redo over here. And you also have some multimedia capabilities, such as increasing and decreasing your volume as well as muting it. And lastly, you can put your computer to sleep. So I hope you guys all enjoyed my unboxing and overview of the Elephant slim white 110 button Windows keyboard with removable silicone splurge protector. If you did, please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And follow me on Twitter, it would help me out tremendously. And until next time, YouTube, peace!